Good afternoon, class. It's time for Wednesday Social Studies. In our textbooks, we are in Lesson 1, Section 5 on page 12 and 13. Tuesday, we learned how our community is in a state and how states share borders with other states and oceans. Today, we will learn how to find communities in a state. So today, I will be reading Section 5 with you guys. I would like for you to follow along with me as I read. Make sure you're using your pointy finger so you are exactly where I am. So finding communities in a state. NASA confirms that you are headed for the state of Florida. States are made up of many communities. Communities are places where people live, work, and play. Each state has different types of communities. Some communities are called cities. Cities are big communities with many tall buildings and people. Look at the map of Florida. A map of a state will show places with the most people. These are usually cities. Tallahassee, Tampa, and Cape Canaveral are cities in Florida. Tallahassee is starred at the top. It's starred on the map, which means that this is the capital city. The government of Florida in Tallahassee, Florida's laws are made there. Cities are large communities, but other communities are smaller. They have less people than cities do. We call these communities towns. Most of the map does not have any cities in names, but this does not mean that there are no communities there. There are communities all over Florida. Some of them are smaller towns. For example, one of these towns is Micanopy. It is smaller than a large city like Tampa. This is a community with your landing spot in Cape Canaveral. Can you find it? So after reading our section 5, in your Wednesday folder, you'll see a worksheet on page 6, and it's titled Finding Our Communities. In your Tuesday folders, you will see